Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Calma here, and to those who are new, please welcome. Today we are making another super easy and yummy recipe. We are cooking SuperGreens Spaghetti Pasta with my homemade beef meatballs. 2 boxes. The reason I cook a lot all the time, it's because to save some time and for lunches for my family. So they look like these. So we are going to cook these SuperGreens spaghetti pasta in a boiling water. Begin with high heat. Add 10 cups of cold or warm water. Bring to a boil. Once the pot boils, we will add all the SuperGreens spaghetti pasta and we will cook them for 8 minutes. And these are optional. You don't need to have them. They are toppings. Chopped green onions, chopped cilantro, Parmesan cheese, shredded marble cheddar cheese, and freshly ground black pepper. We are waiting for our water to boil. I have pre-cooked the beef meatballs already to save some time. And if you wish to find out how I made them, please find the link in the description box below this upload. And if you wish to see more of my super easy and yummy recipe, please don't forget to consider subscribing, comments, like, and share. It is boiling now. Add all the 2 boxes of SuperGreens spaghetti pasta. Break into halves. Bring to a boil. Once it boils, cook these SuperGreens spaghetti pasta for 8 minutes. Make sure you stir and separate them, otherwise they will be connected to each other. Add a tablespoon of salt. Cover, but not fully covered. Use your judgment as to when you stir them occasionally. Remain on high heat. After 8 minutes, our SuperGreen spaghetti pasta are cooked. Take them all out, drain well. Turn the heat off. Yummy! Look at them. They look green and delicious. So my favorite part is the serving and the tasting. So why don't we do that now? Optional. Parmesan, cheddar cheese, the spinach, you may eat them raw. You don't need to cook them. Onions if you like, it's up to you. Cilantro, Yummy. We are going to mix the beef meatballs. I'm getting hungry. Dad, I'm done cooking. Are you coming up to eat, or you want me to bring it down? You're coming up?
No, dude.